Hello everyone, it's me Raiden, and I'm here with another video where I'm here to sell loot and rule the world. Rule the world. I think we start the factory. Yay. Bingo. Who's Bingo? Where's someone here? The circle and the radioactive? What does that mean? I do not understand why there are people right here, like, bruh. Are these just NPCs? Oh my god. That's something flying. I still do not understand why is an intruder. What? Radioactive. Okay. Now please sell. Can you please get out? Where's the planet for 1 billion? I wonder how someone's gonna get that much. I can afford this. Oh, okay. I didn't even know I could do it. You are a bad person. Go ahead, take a sip. That's the most motivational thing I've ever heard in my whole entire life. Not the green cap. Radioactive water. I'm going to Are you really making me pay for water? Fine, brother. Thank you. No. Insurance fraud agent. I don't know why I would need that. Oh my god. People are absolutely getting destroyed. As if I don't. Oh my god. I'm just about to get absolutely destroyed. I'm gonna get in. Hey. Radioactive watchdogs. Oh wait, these are new people. Wait, what if I'm walking down the street? Oh. I want to get destroyed again. Oh, that was cool. I just sent it to one of the days in the game. I don't know why. And I sent it to you. No, I'm trying to tell you something. I'm trying to tell you something. What's wrong with you, bro? Oh my god. Okay, but now where is my... here is the... A basement for 5 million. Wow. But you are so rich. What did I do with this money? Oh yeah. Eh? This is in the comments. How is this chemical turning into water? I do not know who are these people. Hello, hello, scary little teacher. Hello, random person universe. Hello, green turtle guy, mutant ninja turtle, and hello, my very basic person. Now let me send my two radioactive water. This person is ridiculous. Thank you for giving me some random stuff. What else should I get? Wart. Yeah, wart. Okay, that was not funny at all. One radioactive water. I did not try to get anything reverse. Not the speed. Breath. What? Give me more water now. Okay. That's the meaning something. Let's wait for the water. Radioactive water. Now where is that person? Oh! I got a sword. Why are you running away? Sister! We're not the richest people on earth. You stuck us. Hey! I'm calling the water. Give me more. I have radioactive waters. Oh, finally this game. Come on! Oh, hello, person. We're so rich. I mean not that rich, but oh well. In the next video we might make a part 2 of this. So stay tuned if you want more of this video. So bye.